Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to Loop Learning. This is a video about the comments that I've been getting a lot on either Facebook or in the comment section of the YouTube. And people are asking me that they have created queries by following my videos and they are not getting any information. The queries are returning blank. So I'm going to address that in this particular video. But before I do that, I have two things to ask. Number one, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that and hit the bell icon as well so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. The second is if you haven't watched the series where I demonstrated how to make inventory management system, then you may not know what I'm talking about. But if you still consider watching, great, welcome, keep watching till the end. So this is for those who have been asking about these queries. So for example, they say, all right, so we double click on a certain queries and we don't get any result. It's just returning blank. Now I've been responding to the comments as much as I can. Of course I can't comment on each and every statement that I get in the comments box. So but I've been looking at it, so that's why I thought I will address. Now first thing I would like to do is I would like to ask you to check your queries. Now let me go back to design view, and these are the two tables, right? I want to ask you to check your queries if your queries have this similar kind of structure. Now I'm going to make it zoom. Here we go. So I hope this is okay. It's not as much as zoom. Let's make it a little bigger so you can see what I'm presenting on my screen. Okay, so have you made your queries, have you made these adjustments in your queries or not? If not, then for sure you're not going to get any information from this query. So basically the purpose of this adjustment is to tell query that, hey, even if there is nothing uh, related to that particular product. So for example, in this query we are looking at the current stock. Current stock means the stock that we have bought and we have kept in our warehouse, basically the stock which we have received already. So this query gives us that result. So if there are 100 products, and out of 100 products, let's say we haven't bought stock for 50 products, so even in that case we want to see the stock as 0, right? So this query returns that, and this is why you have to give in this information, right? So write your queries like this. So if is null purchase receive quantity, that means you're telling Microsoft Access that, hey, if the purchase quantity for a selected product is null, which means there have been no purchase, even in that case show a 0 quantity. Other than that, whatever is received quantity for that particular product, demonstrate that. So that's what I uh, did in my queries, and they are returning the results for sure, and I would recommend you to do that as well. So you can pause the video, take a screenshot of it, and then you can replicate the exact same thing in your queries, put some data, make some transactions, then test it out, then it will appear, then the data will come. So if you will see my other queries, for example, I go to other queries, let's say ETS, ATS query also has the similar thing. So if is null, again, very important that you make these adjustments in your queries. If is null, okay, right. If I go to, because these are the queries that make one grand query, which is effective stock. So first you have to address these queries. So current stock, reserve stock, these are the queries, sub queries, you can say that these sub queries then get combined and make a bigger query. So if I'll go here, so wherever is the quantity, right, wherever is the quantity, let me go to zoom. So here we go. Wherever is the quantity, I am doing this adjustment. I'm using if is null in the query, so it returns 0 or the actual transaction quantity or value. Okay, so that is important. So current stock, reserve stock, and stock sold. This also has, if you will see here, and if the stock is sold, then it will automatically fetch the information about that particular stock. So these are the important things. Stock balance, if we will go, and you can see here also if is null I have used. So please do these adjustments and then make some transactions, which means create some purchase orders, make some sale, which means creating sales order and selling those items, and then you test the queries. Then it should run. If you have followed my tutorials, you would see that the query hopefully would run. Okay, so I wanted to address this, and because I thought, it's my responsibility, so that's why I'm doing that. um, Thank you so much again for supporting the channel. Keep supporting, and hopefully this will add value in terms of solving your issues and concern. So thank you very much again, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.